Everyone. So my today's topic will start from Python programming. So in Python programming, before we start this programming, we need to know what is a programming language. So in a programming language is a language that will be using while writing a program. So a language is in computer language we have three different language. First one is high level language, that is HLL. So we have three different languages, that is high level language, low level language, and database language. So high level language are those language that will be used by us for programming purpose. And next we have low level language. Those high level language could not be understand by your computer. That's why will all the languages we use for programming will be again converted into low level language, that is a computer understandable language. Then again, what is database language? The database language are those language used for used for writing the database, for storing the data on a database. Those languages are known as database language. So so above all these three types of language, first will start with high level language. So Python is also a type of high level language, as this type of programming will be used for writing our program. So Python is a very popular and easy to learn programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Next, so working with Python to write a program or to run or execute a program, we need to have Python interpreter, that is also known as ideally. Python interpreter must be installed in your system. It is available online, so we can download it from Python website. Then while executing the program, we need there are two mode of execution. First one is interactive mode, and second we have script mode. In the interactive mode, we can type Python statement on a prompt directly. As soon as we press the enter, the interpreter execute the statement line by line, and display the result. So it is known as interactive mode because just after writing a single line, we can execute that line. Then after that we have script mode. So in this script mode, we need to write a program, Python programming in a file, and saved it. Then we after using those interpreter, we can execute the program. Let's see the difference between this interactive mode and script mode. So in interactive mode, here I have installed Python ideally 3.7. So it is available in Python online, so you can directly download the program from Python website and install in your system. So here I have Python 3.7. Yes, this is the Python shell where we will be programming this symbol. This symbol is known as the prompt symbol. So we'll write all the program in this prompt symbol. Just after writing programming line, then after entering it, we can see the results. So that's why it is known as interactive mode. Then we have another mode, that is script mode. In script mode, we can use any notepad. We can use notepad. Then here we'll write the same program. So after writing the program, We'll save the program by using the extension py. We'll save the program by using the extension py and saved it in. So you can choose any directory here. So we have saved in the Python program file. Then this one is saved. Then we need to move to the directory where my program is installed. So here, so let's run the program by using the ILE 3.7. See, writing the program, this is the result, and this is the result display, while this is the program.